Strawberry Coconut Chia Delight Smoothie Recipe. Smoothies have become increasingly popular as a nutritious and delicious way to start the day or satisfy a craving for something sweet. The combination of fresh fruits, healthy fats, and protein makes them a great option for a quick and easy meal or snack. One particular smoothie recipe that stands out from the rest is the Strawberry Coconut Chia Delight. The Strawberry Coconut Chia Delight smoothie is a refreshing and energizing blend of strawberries, coconut milk, and chia seeds. This delightful combination not only pleases the taste buds, but also provides a multitude of health benefits. To begin with, strawberries are not only sweet and juicy, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. Vitamin C is essential for a strong immune system, while antioxidants help fight against free radicals that can damage our cells. Fiber aids in digestion and helps to keep us feeling full. Including strawberries in our smoothie ensures that we are getting a dose of these beneficial nutrients. The next key ingredient is coconut milk. Coconut milk adds a creamy and tropical flavor to the smoothie while also providing numerous health benefits. It contains healthy fats, including medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are easily digested and provide a quick source of energy. MCTs have also been shown to boost metabolism and promote weight loss. Additionally, coconut milk is rich in vitamins and minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which are important for maintaining a healthy heart and muscles. Finally, the recipe incorporates chia seeds, which are small but mighty powerhouses of nutrition. Chia seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Omega-3 fatty acids are crucial for brain health, reducing inflammation, and improving heart health. The high fiber content in chia seeds helps to regulate digestion and keep us feeling satisfied for longer periods. Additionally, chia seeds are a great plant-based source of protein, making them an excellent option for vegans or those looking to increase their protein intake. Now that we understand the health benefits of the Strawberry Coconut Chia Delight Smoothie's key ingredients, let's look at the recipe itself. Ingredients: 1 cup of fresh or frozen strawberries, 1/2 cup of coconut milk, canned or homemade, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 2 teaspoons of honey or your preferred sweetener, optional. Ice cubes, optional. Instructions: 1. Start by washing the strawberries and removing their stems. 2. If using fresh strawberries, slice them into smaller pieces. If using frozen strawberries, allow them to thaw slightly for easier blending. 3. In a blender, combine the strawberries, coconut milk, chia seeds, and your sweetener of choice, if desired. 4. Blend on high speed until all the ingredients are well combined and the mixture is smooth and creamy. If desired, add a few ice cubes to make the smoothie colder and more refreshing. 5. Pour the smoothie into a glass, sprinkle some chia seeds on top for added texture and presentation, and enjoy. The Strawberry Coconut Chia Delight Smoothie is a perfect way to start your day with a burst of fruity goodness and nourishing ingredients. Whether enjoyed as a quick breakfast or a post-workout refresher, this smoothie will provide you with the necessary vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, fiber, and protein to keep you satisfied and energized throughout the day. So, grab your blender and indulge in this delightful and nutritious treat. Check out the comments section below for some of the best blenders for your smoothies recipes. I hope this Strawberry Coconut Chia Delight smoothie recipe was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life. And remember, you are what you eat. Thanks for watching,